are back. I took a little break from YouTube, if you guys didn't notice. A mental health break needed, just not focus on YouTube for a bit. I was a little bit active on Instagram. I didn't do any lives, so I just wanted to take some time for myself and just kind of lay back a little bit. But we are back today. Also, while I was gone, I did my nails. I did not film the process of me putting these nails on, but if you follow me on Instagram, you know what they are. These are the Kiara Sky nails. They're jelly tips. The whole nail comes already shaped, and all I did is paint them and added the glitter, and it's pretty. It feels so good to have long nails again. I mean, this is like longer than I normally have them, but I cut my natural nails, so it's okay, so it doesn't hurt me right now. For today's video, we will be unboxing March's BoxyCharm. Thank you, BoxyCharm, for sending me the base box for this month. I'm so excited. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys have seen the sneak peeks. So let's just jump in. The theme for this month is lucky because it's St. Patty's Day. Anyways, so the first item that we have here is the palette. So let me tell you a little story. It's gonna be a quick story. I don't want to drag this video to be super long, but in the sneak peeks we did see the LimeCrime Venus 3 palette and the Glow Recipe skincare. Some charmers might get one, some charmers might get both of them. And I got both of them. I honestly would not have been able to pick between those two because I love both brands so much. But anyways, right now we're gonna talk about the LimeCrime Venus 3 palette. Oh my god, guys. It is so freaking gorgeous. It matches my nails, and I made the makeup match the clouds here. This is the beautiful palette. I freaking love it. You guys know me, I love LimeCrime. Since the very beginning of my channel, I've had the Velvet Matte Lipsticks, the Diamond Crushers, the big palette. But it's kind of like in that area. It's so pretty. I really love the whole aesthetic here. It does have a hint of rose gold on the frame. It's so pretty. And once you open it up, you have a pretty mirror right here with a beautiful design on the edge. I am going to take off the plastic there. And we also have like another plastic to protect the eyeshadows. So you got the logo here in rose gold as well. And this little palette has 8 beautiful eyeshadows. You have 3 mattes. The rest are shimmery. This color right here, which is Rapture, has like blue specks of glitter. Blue chrome specks. I actually tried to add Heavenly on the cloud, but it just was not happening. It was not happening. I just added an eyeshadow base to create that cloud. Anyways, I really love these eyeshadows so much. I have nothing bad to say about this palette. It's so pretty. If you don't know about LimeCrime, this is the perfect palette to start with. I love all the colors. They're very pigmented. I did swatch them. They do feel super, super soft. And you don't even have to apply so much eyeshadow to get the pigmentation going. This makeup was actually pretty simple to do and very easy, except the eye cloud. Except the cloud, you don't have to add the cloud. You can just do the rest of the makeup. Instead of bringing the darker shade that I have here on the inner corner, I just decided to keep it above the crease. Beam is my favorite one. It's the one I'm wearing all over my eyelid. It's so freaking beautiful. It says that the formula is ultra buttery, and they are. They're so soft. Like, I thought they were gonna be a little bit rough because I do remember in the LimeCrime, my other Venus palette, but some of the matte eyeshadows feel a little bit harsh, so kind of dry, but they're still pigmented, but these feel a lot more softer. This palette retails for $38. Next, we have the other product I could not decide. I'm so glad that I got both. This is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. It's so freaking cute, guys. Look at this. It's glass packaging. It's obviously skincare. Unfortunately, it does not bring a little scoop. I thought it was weird because the one that I bought from Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Sleeping Mask, actually brings this giant scoop. I decided to use it for this as well, so I don't get any bacteria in my face cream. You can see how lightweight this moisturizer is. It's so beautiful. It's yellow and it smells like banana, guys. It actually smells like banana. I can't stop smelling it. When you apply it on your face, you can actually smell the banana. It's crazy. I love it. It says that it seals in lasting hydration without clogging pores, which, oh my god, it's so important to me. My skin is so sensitive. It also says it's non-comedogenic and non-acnegenic, making it especially good for sensitive skin. Yes, that is everything I've been asking for. It does say it's blended with banana, chia seed, magnesium, turmeric, and cica. It's your recipe for hydrated, healthy looking skin. Like I said, when I'm not filming, I'm not wearing makeup, and I like my skin to be glowy and dewy. Right now, I am wearing it underneath. I don't look dewy. Probably my nose looks a little bit dewy because of the highlighter. I am wearing a matte foundation only because I like to hydrate my skin so much and I don't want to look sweaty. So I want to look glowy, dewy, but not sweaty, you know? So I really do love this moisturizer. It does feel lightweight. It's also really hydrating if you want to use a matte foundation. This little guy retails for $39. Next, we have an item by the brand Maven Beauty. I did hear about this brand, but I had not purchased it. I heard a lot about their eyeshadows, and I saw how pigmented they were. We got the Rose Water Setting Spray. It locks down your makeup and prevents any smudging for up to 16 hours. Actually, I was shook because I saw a video of somebody applying 2 swatches. I don't know if it's foundation or concealer, but they sprayed one with this, and then the other one they didn't spray, and they smudged it. And the one that was sprayed with this did not come off at all. Nothing. Nada. Anyways, it's a cute packaging. It's orange. It does have a rosy water scent. It actually smells good. I freaking love the mist. The mist is not super harsh on you. It's like a soft mist, you know? It's gentle, which I am a fan of that. And I'm so happy to be trying this out because, you know, I've always used my Urban Decay. I occasionally switch to the NYX setting spray, but I always seem to go back to my Urban Decay. So I'm very curious to try this. I did apply it. I think it's like a dewy finish because of the rose water. It doesn't say. This little guy retails for $22. Next, we have a lip oil by the brand KAB Cosmetics. Each letter stands for a name. It's Kim, Ariana, and Brielle. This is not my first item from them. The Lip Duo, a lip liner, and a lip gloss. I actually received in one of my BoxyCharms last year. It was a lip duo. It was a lip liner and a lip gloss. I really liked it, so I was so pumped about seeing this item in the sneak peeks. Look how pretty. This is the one I saw in the sneak peeks, and actually I've seen pictures now that other charmers have received, and there's a blue one. There's different tinted colors. It says that it's an instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. This is in the shade Rum Punch. So when you actually swatch it, it looks transparent. Like, it looks pink, but when you apply it, as you guys will see in the swatch, it looks transparent. So it doesn't really look pink. I applied it before using my makeup, and then I applied it on top of a lip liner. I just outlined my lips and I filled them in with the lip liner. Then I topped it with this gloss. It feels so comfortable, like it's not sticky. If you were to touch it with your hand, it is kind of sticky, but together with both of your lips, it doesn't feel sticky. It feels comfortable and it feels very hydrating. The lip wand is so freaking pretty. It's very stubby. I believe it's like the same as the lip gloss that I had. They're stubby, but they're soft as well. It's only 2 swipes and I covered my entire lips. So let me tell you guys, this smells so freaking good. I'm not lying to you guys, it actually smells like Rum Punch. Does it have rum? It does not say it has rum, but it literally smells like Rum Punch. Definitely a must if you have not tried KAB Cosmetics. Anyways, this guy retails for $20. And last but not least, we have another skincare product. I'm not mad about this. I did get a little something for everything on my face. This is very important for me. This is the Beauty Crop Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask. Now, you guys know I love eye masks because of the ongoing issue that I have with my under eye. It's actually reacting right now. These are a must for me because they are hydrating, plumping, and nourishing. And it's avocado. I mean, read the avocado oil actually hydrates your skin. It provides vitamin E. It also has chamomile. It helps to soothe and reduce inflammation, minimize puffiness and fine lines and wrinkles. It has green tea that promotes DNA repair to keep skin looking young and fighting signs of aging. And it also has licorice root, which fights wrinkles, brightens, soothes irritation and skin conditions. So it brings 3 pairs. The little cute bagging. They're actually jelly eye masks. It actually tells you can wear them with the thinner side on your inner corner or on your outer corner. The bigger area will target crow's feet. If you put the bigger side on the inner corner, then that will target puffiness or wrinkles. I did like them. They're jelly and they're green. Just make sure to squeeze out the liquid that's inside and put them on your jelly eye mask so that it can absorb as much product, or just use your hand to spread it on your eyes. And these little guys retail for $18. Alright guys, so that was everything in the box. Honestly, this month I cannot pick a favorite because everything that's in the box is something I really wanted or needed. I can't pick a favorite. Please let me know your favorite item this month in the comments down below. So the total value for this month's box is $137. You're only paying $25 every month to get this pretty subscription. Not only that, but you also get access to a pop-up store. You have to follow BoxyCharm to know exactly when the days are. I believe it's always at the beginning of the month. They give you access to online store with discounts on a couple of makeup products. Alright guys, so that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs this video up. Let me know what you guys think about this month's box, your thoughts on my makeup look, and I'm testing my nails right now, so I'm not making a video just yet. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys till my next video. Bye!